In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of adding the Afterpay icon to your Shopify footer. Let's begin by opening your internet browser and navigating to Shopify.com. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials, then select your online store. Next, click on Online Store and then Themes. You'll be directed to a page where you should click on the three dots next to your online store's theme and select Edit Code. Once you're in the code editor, search for Footer and click on Footer.liquid to access the code. Now, use the CTRL-F shortcut to search for payment within the code. Look for the specific line of code related to payments. Copy this line of code and paste it within the designated area in the footer. Next, enclose the word Afterpay within apostrophes and save the code. If the initial placement doesn't work, try an alternate position and delete the original line accordingly. Save your changes and check if the Afterpay icon appears in your Shopify footer. That's it. You've successfully added the Afterpay icon to your Shopify footer.